This video shows you how to install the Vyze-Link camera onto the wall. This bracket includes two parts. This part is a wall mount bracket. Now let's install the wall mount bracket onto the wall first. Then install the solar panel bracket onto the wall mount bracket. Rotate the solar panel into the bracket and adjust its direction. And now install the camera bracket onto the camera body. And then insert the charging cable into the charging port. Now insert the camera body under the wall mount bracket and use this special screw to secure the connection between the wall mount bracket and the camera bracket. Adjust the solar panel direction in order to receive the best charging efficiency. And now let's introduce how to install the solar panel separately. We need to disassemble this small round panel first of the solar panel. Save the two small screws for future use. And install the small round panel onto the wall. And then rotate the solar panel bracket into the small round panel. And now rotate the solar panel into the bracket and adjust its facing direction in order to receive the best charging efficiency. And connect the solar panel with the camera using the extension cable.